Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Servite Primary from St. Anne up against Denbigh Primary from Clarendon. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. So earlier we had the toss and Denbigh Primary won and decided to go first. So we begin with Denbigh Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and each correct answer is worth 1 point, as I said. And this section lasts for 4 minutes. So with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with Denbigh, Bible knowledge. What is the first book in the New Testament of the Bible?
Matthew.
Correct. Servite, Bible knowledge. What is the last book in the Old Testament of the Bible?
Ezekiel.
Incorrect. Malachi. Denbigh, science. In which organ of the human body are the tiniest bones?
The ear.
Correct. Servite, science. In which organ of the human body are the pores?
The skin.
Correct. Denbigh, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's Prime Minister?
And your wholeness. And your wholeness.
Correct. Servite, Jamaican affairs. Who is Jamaica's Governor General?
Sir Patrick Allen.
Correct. Denbigh, English language. Spell delivery.
Mine. Delivery.
Correct. Servite, English language. Spell promise.
Promise.
Correct. Television, Denbigh. In which cartoon series is the character Chucky Finster?
Bugs Bunny.
Incorrect. Rugrats. Servite, television. In the cartoon series Rugrats, what is Angelica's surname?
Smith.
Incorrect. Pickles. Denbigh, general knowledge. What is the capital city in England?
London.
Correct. Servite, general knowledge. What is the capital city in the United States of America?
Washington,
Washington, D.C.
Correct. Denbigh, social studies. Which line along the 0 degrees longitude line divides the Earth into eastern and western hemispheres?
Equator.
Incorrect. The 180 degrees line. Servite, social studies. Which line divides the world into the northern and southern hemispheres?
The equator.
Correct. Denbigh, music. How many persons perform in a duet?
Two.
Correct. Servite, music. To which group of instruments does the guitar belong?
Percussion.
Incorrect. Strings. Denbigh, mathematics. What is 994 rounded to the nearest hundred?
1,000.
Correct. Servite, mathematics. What is 784 rounded to the nearest hundred?
800.
800.
Correct. Denbigh, sports. How many legal balls are there in an over in cricket?
4.
Incorrect. 6. Sports. Servite. How many goals does a player with a hat-trick score?
3.
Correct. Denbigh, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Want all?
Lose all.
Correct. Servite, Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. One cocoa.
Two cocoa.
Incorrect. One cocoa, full basket. Science, Denbigh. What is the name of the tissue that connects bones to bones in the human body?
Tendons.
Incorrect. Ligament. Servite. Science. What is the name of the tissue that causes movement by contracting and relaxing in the human body?
Muscles.
Correct. Denbigh. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Servite Primary on 8 and Denbigh Primary on 8. So It's a tie. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.